Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by preparing devices. Make sure your iPhone is on the latest iOS and signed into your Apple ID. Once done, plug the Homepod Mini into power and place it where Wi-Fi is strong and stable. Bring your iPhone close to the top of the HomePod. The setup prompt should appear. If the prompt doesn't show, open the Home app and tap Add Accessory. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on so the accessory can pair and transfer settings quickly. You'll guide the Home app through detailed settings now. First, choose the room and allow personal requests if you want messages and reminders read aloud. Next, transfer Siri voice recognition and Apple Music preferences from your iPhone so the HomePod recognizes you and plays your library. Configure location and HomeKit access to allow automations. Once those steps finish, set up intercom and any multi-room playback groups. Finish by testing basic actions. Ask Siri a question and play a track to confirm audio quality and account access. If the Home app prompts for a software update, apply it now and let the device restart. Updates often fix connectivity quirks. If something goes wrong, reboot your router and power cycle the HomePod. If issues persist, perform a HomePod reset and repeat the pairing flow. Make sure your Apple ID and Wi-Fi password are correct, because most failures trace back to account or network mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.